Hello, and welcome to another episode of Learn Everyday English, your roadway to English proficiency. See, I got my cool hat on again and my sunshades or sunglasses, and I got another episode for you of African American Vernacular English, AAVE. We're going to have another dialogue or conversation between two brothers talking about life issues, and hopefully you'll find this interesting as well. I'm getting a lot of good comments about these. People have asked me to make videos, especially dialogues. People like dialogue. Let me adjust my sunshades here. And this is an area or aspect of American English that a lot of people aren't exposed to or don't have a lot of exposure to. They find it interesting, and a lot of times they say sometimes it's difficult to understand what African American people, or some say Black Americans, Black people here, are talking about when they speak. They have a different manner of speaking, different words and phrases. So yeah, if you didn't grow up in this environment, it may be difficult to follow, but we're going to help you out today. So, but before I get into the dialogue, there's 3 things you can do for me. Hey, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and 3, tell your friends about it so that they can benefit from these videos too. How? How can they benefit? Just like you. You got it. And before I get into the dialogue, just to remind you, I'm going to be coming out with a How to Talk Texan eBook that's going to be available on Amazon and other platforms where you can download that. It's going to be eBook format. And I'll be keeping you posted on when that will be coming available. Just trying to make some fine last-minute changes on that. But that's all I'm going to say on that. But just keep an eye out for that. And now we'll get into the conversation. Again, I'm going to change hats between people speaking person A and person B. So here we go. This is the first person. Hey, yo, you heard about Jay last night? Nah, man, what went down? Man, he got into it with Reggie at the club. Ah, for real? Hey, what they beefing about now? Some old nonsense, bruh, Reggie say Jay been talking slick, you know. Ah, typical, man, typical. They always tripping over something dumb. Facts, man, facts. Hey, but Jay ain't backing down, though. He was like, hey, what you saying then, man? You know, Jay don't play that. He always about that action, man. Right, man, right. It almost popped off, but security broke that up. Good thing, man. It did. Don't nobody need all that drama. Hey, true that, man. Jay too grown to be acting like that. Hey, word, man, straight up. He need to chill before he catch a case. Hey, I told him that, but you know how folks is when they get heated. Yeah, sometimes pride get the best of them. Exactly, man, exactly. But he gonna hit Reggie up later and squash it. Hey, I bet that. Hey, that's what's up, man. Ain't no need to keep bad blood. Nah, ain't worth it, man. Life too short, bro. You right about that, man. They both need to keep it cool. Hey, on everything, all that extra is dead. Hey, facts, man, facts. Stay drama-free, bruh. So that was a conversation between 2 people talking about Jay and Reggie. They had a little incident at the club, an issue that popped up at the club. And did you follow some of that? Most of that? Did you know what happened at the club? Happened between Jay and Reggie? Well, let's break it down for you. Let's break it down, go into some detail, and explain what happened. So I'm just going to read it through again, and then I'll go into detail. Hey, yo, you heard about Jay last night? Nah, what went down? Man, he got into it with Reggie at the club. Ah, for real? What they beefing about? Some old nonsense, bruh. Reggie said Jay been talking slick. Typical. They always tripping over something dumb. Facts, man. But Jay ain't backing down, though. He was like, what you saying then? You know, Jay don't play like that. He always about that action. Hey, right. It almost popped off, but some security broke it up. Good thing, don't nobody need all that drama. For real, Jay too grown to be acting like that. Straight up. He need to chill before he catch a case. I told him that, but you know how folks is when they heated. Yeah, sometimes pride gets the best of them. Exactly, but he gonna hit Reggie up later and squash it. Bet, hey, that's what's up. Ain't no need to keep bad blood. Nah, ain't worth it. Life too short, man, life too short. You right, they both need to keep it cool. On everything, all that extra is dead. Hey, facts. Stay drama free, bruh. Stay drama free. All right. Well, let's break it down line by line, and I'll kind of translate for you. So person A says, hey, yo. Like yo is like hello. You heard about? You heard about means you heard about. Did you hear about Jay last night? Did you hear about Jay last night? You heard about. Then person B says, nah. Nah is just no. Hey, what went down? What went down? What went down means, hey, like, what happened? What happened? Know what happened. Then person A says, man, he got into it with Reggie at the club. He got into it with Reggie at the club. That means he got into it is like he had a disagreement or an argument with Reggie at the club. And then person B says, oh, that's like a surprise. Oh, hey, for real? Is that real? Is that true? Hey, what they beefing about? What they beefing about? So instead of saying about, we say bout. Beefing means like, what are they arguing about? So what they beefing about is what are they arguing about? And then person A says, hey, some old nonsense, bruh. Some old nonsense, bruh. That means just some nonsense. And bruh's just like a term you use with your friend. And then he says, Reggie say Jay been talking slick. Reggie says Jay been talking slick. Talking slick means talking disrespectfully to him, not respecting him. So it made him mad. And then person B says, hey, typical. Hey, that's the usual. That's the usual. They always tripping over something dumb. That means they always arguing or making a big issue out of something minor, something that shouldn't be a big issue. They're always tripping about something dumb. And then person B says, hey, facts. Say that means, hey, that's right, that's true. But Jay ain't backing down, though. Jay ain't backing down. That means he's not giving in. He's not giving in. He's not changing his position. Yeah, he's not, he didn't back down. And then he says, he was like, that means he said, what you saying then? What you saying? Like, hey, what are you trying to say to me? What are you trying to tell me? And then person B says, hey, you know, Jay don't play like that. Jay don't play like that. He always about that action. He's always about that action. That means Jay doesn't take things lightly. He doesn't play. He's always serious about things. And he's always ready to act. He's always ready to do something, take action about things. And the person A says, hey, right. Yeah, that's true. It almost popped off. Like it almost escalated into some big fight or issue. It almost popped off. It almost got serious. But security broke it up. The security at the club, the like police or bouncers stepped in and stopped it. Person B says, hey, good thing. Yeah, hey, that's good it happened. Don't nobody need all that drama. That means like nobody. Instead of saying nobody, they said don't nobody need all that trouble, need all making a big issue out of nothing. Then person A says, hey, for real, hey, that's true, for real, that's true. Jay too grown to be acting like that. That means Jay is too old to be acting like that. You know, you might expect people that are in their teenagers or youngsters, early 20s, they might be acting like that, but not older people, like he's too old, too mature to be acting like that. Person B says, hey, straight up, hey, that's true, man, that's true. He need to chill before he catch a case. He needs to chill means that he needs to relax. He needs to take it easy. He needs to calm down. Before he catch a case means, hey, before he gets into some legal trouble or before he has to go to jail for something stupid. And then the next person, A, says, hey, I told him that. But you know how folks is. Sometimes say, you know how people are. And instead of saying, you know how people are, I would say, you know how folks is. Folks is just another word for people. When they get heated means like when they get angry and when they get upset is when they get heated. Person B says, yeah, sometimes pride gets the best of them. Sometimes pride. So that means sometimes pride gets the better of people. Pride gets in the way. People won't change because they're too proud. Then person A says, hey, exactly. But he gonna hit Reggie up later and squash it. That means he's gonna call Reggie and talk to him later. He's gonna hit him up later. He's gonna call or go over and talk to him. And squash it means to resolve the problem, to solve the issue and not have it escalate anymore. Find a solution to the problem. Person B says, hey, bet, hey, that's good, man, that's good. That's what's up. That means, hey, that's what's gonna happen. That's a smart move. Ain't no need to keep bad blood. Means, hey, no need to, we say in English, hold grudges. Hey, no need to stay angry or stay mad at somebody, especially your friend. You don't need to keep the bad blood. Let's let it go. Person A says, nah, man. It means like definitely not. Hey, it ain't worth it. Life too short, man. Life too short. Instead of saying, hey, life is too short, we just say life too short. Hey, you right. So instead of saying, hey, you're right, or you are right, you say you right, man. They both need to keep it cool. That means they both need to stay calm. About it. Then the person A says, hey, yeah, on everything. That means absolutely right. All that extra is dead. That means all that unnecessary emotion, all that unnecessary drama is pointless. It means it's not needed, it's not necessary. All that extra is dead. Person B says, hey, facts, man, exactly. That's true, that's right. Stay drama free, bruh. Stay drama free. Like, let's not have that drama. Let's not do stupid things like that. We need to free ourselves of all that type of thing. So that's what happened. That's what popped off at the club the other night between Jay and Reggie. Did that make it clearer now for you? Let me read that through one more time for you. Hey, yo, you heard about Jay last night? Nah, what went down? Man, he got into it with Reggie at the club. Ah, for real? What they beefing about? Some old nonsense, bruh. Reggie say Jay been talking slick. Typical. They always tripping over something dumb. Facts, man. But Jay ain't backing down, though. He was like, Hey, what you saying then? You know, Jay don't play like that. He always about that action. Hey, right, it almost popped off, but security broke it up. Good thing. Don't nobody need all that drama. For real, man. Jay too grown to be acting like that. Straight up. He need to chill before he catch a case. I told him that, but you know how folks is when they get heated. Yeah, sometimes pride gets the best of them. Exactly. But he gonna hit Reggie up later and squash it. Hey, bet, that's what's up. Ain't no need to keep bad blood. Nah, ain't worth it. Life too short, man. You right. They both need to keep it cool on everything. All that extra is dead. Facts. Hey, stay drama free, bruh. Stay drama free. So did that make it a lot clearer? Or you may need to go back and listen to that several times, follow the script, read the dialogue through, and see if you can understand it a little bit better. So what do you think about that conversation? Did you like that? You find that interesting? I don't know if you find it, you finding it useful or just another aspect of American culture that it's good to have some exposure to. So thought I'd just bring you that. Like I said, a lot of people have been asking me to do more videos like dialogue, conversation about African American speech. So I decided to go ahead and do that for you. So, hey, let me know in the comments. And I think that'll do it. Just another brief video. So thanks for watching this episode of Learn Everyday English. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and 3, tell your friends about it. So without further ado, I'll let you go to get back what you're doing, maybe to get back to practicing your English and use this video as like a comprehension exercise. You know, learning English is not all just about grammar, words, learning phrasal verbs and that type of thing. And there's a concept you all probably know very well called comprehensible input. So a lot of times learning another language is just listening to videos for you in English at a level that's where you're at a little bit higher to pull you up. The more you listen, the more your ear will become tuned to the English and the sounds and the pronunciation. And I do that a lot with Spanish. I listen to podcasts all the time. I watch a lot of videos on YouTube in Spanish. So I don't really focus on grammar at all anymore. I just focus on getting content into me by listening and watching videos. But I think listening is key. So like I said, I'm not always going to have videos about grammar or about phrasal verbs, about words and that type of thing. But I think exposing you to life here in the United States, life here in Texas, different cultures and customs, while learning English at the same time is the best way to learn because it keeps your interest. It's something that you're going to watch and going to want to watch, you know, in the future to improve your English. And your English will improve. It will improve. It's just kind of a slow, steady process. You just need to be persistent and consistent. And like I said before in the past, the most important thing is just have fun. Just have fun. So hopefully you find these videos interesting and fun for you. So again, I think I've said too much. So again, thanks for watching this episode of Learn Everyday English, and we'll see you later. Hey, goodbye.